Hello everyone, welcome back to the Python programming series. In the previous lecture, we learned about Python list. In today's lecture, we will learn tuples in Python, another important data structure used to store multiple values. Let's get started. What is a tuple? A tuple is an ordered collection of elements stored inside parentheses. Unlike lists, tuples are immutable, which means their values cannot be changed after creation. Features of tuple: ordered, immutable, cannot be changed, index based, can store different data types. Creating a tuple using parentheses. Let's do an example of creating a tuple. Numbers equal to, then parenthesis is 10 comma 20 comma 30, print numbers, and one example of an string: fruits equal to apple, banana, mango. Let's run this code. Here I didn't write print fruits. Let's run this code. We get output: a tuple stores multiple values just like a list, but it uses round brackets instead of square brackets. Number store three integers, fruit store three strings. Both are tuples. The most important feature of a tuple: it is immutable. This means once you create a tuple, you cannot change, add, or remove any of its value. The data is logged. Use a tuple when you have data that should never change. For example, days of the weeks, months of the year, or coordinates. Using tuple constructor. Let's do an example of tuple constructor. Numbers equal to tuple, then square brackets 10 comma 20 comma 30, print numbers, letters equal to tuple, Python, print letters. Let's run this code. We get output 10 comma 20 comma 38 tuple and python as tuple. The tuple constructor converts other sequences into a tuple. Tuple round brackets then square brackets 10 comma 20 comma 30 converts a list into a tuple. Tuple Python converts a string into a tuple of individual character. Each character becomes a separate element. This is useful when you receive data as a list but you want to protect it from being modified. Convert it to a tuple and the data becomes logged. Tuple with different data types. So let's do an example of tuple with different data types. Data equal to 10 comma Python comma 3.14 comma true, print data. Let's run this code. We get output 10, Python 3.14 and true. Just like a list, a tuple can store different data types together in the same collection. Here we have an here we have an integer 10, a string Python, a float 3.14 and a boolean true, all in one tuple. Python handles all of them without any issue. Assessing elements. Tuples also use indexing. Positive indexing starts from 0, negative indexing starts from -1. So let's do an example of both positive indexing and negative indexing in tuple. Numbers equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Print numbers 0. Print numbers -1. Let's run this code. We get 10 and 50. Tuple indexing works exactly the same as list and string indexing. Positive indexing starts from 0. Number 0 is 10. Number 1 is 20. Index 1 is 20. Index 2 is 30. Index 3 is 40. Like this. Negative indexing starts from -1 at the end. So numbers -1 equal to 50 and index -2 equal to 40, -3 equal to 30 and so on. The only difference from a list, you can read elements but you cannot change them. Tuple slicing. Slicing works exactly like list. So let's do an example of slicing. Numbers equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Print numbers 1, 4. Print numbers 3. Print numbers 2. Print numbers -1. Let's run this code. Slicing on tuple works exactly the same as slicing on list and string. Numbers 1:4 start at index 1, stop before index 4. Gives 20, 30 and 40. Because index 1 is 20, index 2 is 30 and index 3 is 40. Now number 3 gives output from 10, 20, 30 because it starts from the beginning up to the index 3. Beginning up to the index 3 gives 10, 20, 30. Numbers 2: gives 30, 40, 50 because from index 2 to the end. So it start from index 2. Index 2 is 30, 40, 50. Numbers ::-1 entire tuple in reverse gives 50, 30, 20, 10. 50, 30, 20, 10. 50, 30, 20, 10. 50, 30, 20, 10. 50, 30, 20, 10. 50, 30, 20, 10. 50, 30, 20, 10. 50, 30, 20, 10. 50, 30, 20, 10. 50, 30, 20, 10. 50, 30, 20, 10. 50, 30, 20, 10. 50, 30, 20, 10. 50, 30, 20, 10. 50, 30, 20, 10. 50, 30, 20, 10. 50, 30, 20, 10. 50, 30, 20, 10. 50, 30, 20, 10. 50, 30, 20, 10. 50, 30, 20, 10. 50, 30, 20, 10. 50, 30, 20, 10. 50, 30, 20, 10. 50, 30, 20, 10. 50, 30, 20, 10. 50, 30, 20, 10. 50, 30, 20, 10. 50, 30, 20, 10. 50, 30, 20, 10. 50, 30, 20, 10. 50, 30, 20, 10. 50, Tuple unpacking. We can store tuple values into separate variables. Let's do an example of tuple unpacking. Student equal to Keshav, Keshav 20 and Jaipur. Name, comma, age, comma, city equal to student, print name, print age, print city. Let's run this code. We get Keshav 20 and Jaipur. Tuple unpacking means extracting all values from a tuple and storing each one in a separate variable, all in a single line. Name, comma, age, comma, city equal to student. Python matches them in order. Name gets Keshav, age gets 20, city gets Jaipur. One important rule: the number of variables on the left must exactly match the number of elements in the tuple. If they do not match, Python throws an error. This is a very clean and commonly used feature. You will see it often in real Python programs. Tuple concatenation. We can combine two tuples using the plus operator. So let's do an example of tuple concatenation. Tuple 1 equal to 1, comma 2, comma 3. Tuple 2 equal to 4, comma 5, comma 6. Result equal to tuple 1 plus tuple 2. Print result. Let's run this code. We get 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5, comma 6 as output. The plus operator joins two tuples together into one new tuple. Tuple 1 plus tuple 2 combines both and stores the result in result. The original tuples are unchanged. A brand new tuple is created. This is the only way to add to a tuple. Since tuples are immutable, you cannot modify the original. Instead, you create a new combined tuple. Tuple immutability. Tuples cannot be modified after creation. So let's do an example of tuple immutability. Numbers equal to 10, 20, 30. Numbers 1 equal to 25. Let's run this code. We get an type error. When we try to change an element of a tuple, numbers 1 equal to 25, Python throws a type error immediately. This is what immutability means. Once the tuple is created, its values are fixed. You cannot change, add, or remove individual elements. This is the key difference between a list and a tuple. A list allows changes, a tuple does not. If you need to store fixed data, that should never be accidentally modified. Use, use a tuple. If the data needs to change, use a list. Deleting a tuple. We cannot delete individual elements, but we can delete the entire tuple. So let's do an example of deleting a tuple. Numbers equal to 10, 20, 30. Del numbers print numbers. Let's run this. We get an name error in the output. You cannot delete individual elements from a tuple because tuples are immutable, but you can delete the entire tuple variable using del. After del numbers, the variable numbers no longer exist in memory. If you try to print it after deleting, Python throws a name error telling you the variable is not defined. Now, tuple unpacking with asterisk. The asterisk operator collects multiple values into a list. So let's do an example of tuple unpacking with asterisk. Numbers equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. A, asterisk B, C equal to numbers. Print A, print B, print C. Let's run this code. We get output a print a 10, print b 20, 30, 40 in a list, and print c 50. The asterisk operator in unpacking collects multiple values into a list. Here we have 5 elements. A gets the first element 10, C gets the last element 50. The asterisk B in the middle the asterisk B in the middle collects everything in between 20, 30, 40 and store them them as a list in B. Notice B is a list, not a tuple. The asterisk operator always collects the remaining values into a list. This is very useful when you want to grab the first and last element separately while capturing everything in between. Difference between list and tuple. List uses square brackets, tuple uses parentheses, round brackets. List are mutable, tuple are immutable. List can be modified, tuple cannot be modified. List more flexible, tuple faster than list. Summary. Today we learned what is a tuple, features of tuple, creating a tuple, tuple constructor, mixed data types, assessing elements, positive and negative indexing, tuple slicing, tuple unpacking, tuple concatenation, tuple immutability, deleting a tuple, tuple unpacking with asterisk, difference between list and tuple. Tuples are useful when the data should not change after creation. They are faster than lists and are commonly used to store fixed collection of values. So that's it for the today lecture.